When you add text to your images, it's not just a way to add information. With the creative options that PhotoImpact gives your text, your words can add new dynamic elements to your images. We'll show you how to add text, as well as show you some of the creative options you have with your text. We'll also be showing you how you can use PhotoImpact's ZMerge tool to blend 3D text and objects. To create text, click on the Text tool in the Tool panel. Click a point outside of the two circles. A blinking circle will automatically appear where you can enter your text. Type in the word click. When you want to change or edit any of your text, simply highlight the section that you want to change. You can do this by double-clicking on the text or selecting the text, then right-click and select Edit Text. Now go to the Text panel and make any formatting changes. After you've selected the text, go to the Font drop-down menu and select Impact. Click on the Bold button. You can add a shadow to your text the same way you would add a shadow to any object. Press Shift-S. Then click on the box next to the word Shadow. Select black as your shadow color. Click OK. Now choose the Pick tool and place the text over the two circles. Once you've added and positioned the text on your image, the next step is to give it that extra spark to make it really stand out. Highlight your text again. To make your text 3D, go to the Mode drop-down menu in the Attribute bar and select 3D Chisel. Click on the Color panel and select Gradient Fill. Select white and light blue for your gradient colors. You can also apply the Easy Palettes features to your text, in some cases giving you effects that are more powerful than the Text and Path tools. You can apply glass-like or metallic effects, as well as add snow, fire, holes, neon glows, and more. Again, select your text. Click on the Material Gallery and again select the bottom thumbnail effect, M24, to give your text the same metallic look as the outer circle. One of the exciting features in PhotoImpact is the powerful ZMerge tool. ZMerge lets you interact both 2D and 3D objects in exciting new ways by letting them blend at different levels. When you make an object into a ZMerge object, you can make it look like you're lifting it out of the document towards you and above all of the objects that aren't ZMerged. First, we'll clone the larger circle from our button image. Do this by holding down the Control key, then clicking and dragging the circle. To make it into a ZMerge object, click on the ZMerge tool in the Tool panel. Select ZMerge in the Attribute bar. If the ZMerge elevation isn't already set at 0, do it now. Select the other metallic circle and do the same. Now, move the two metallic objects together and notice how they blend with each other. Select the inner red circle and also make it into a ZMerge object. Now assign it a ZMerge elevation of 40 so that it's elevated over the metallic circles. With the red circle still selected, click on the Transform tool. Now drag the circle lengthwise and stretch it into an oval shape. Finally, take the text and assign it a ZMerge elevation so that it will be elevated over the red circle. Now blend all three elements together. Now that these objects have been assigned Z values, they can interact with each other instead of sliding independently over and under one another. And you can change the Z elevation of each object if you want to change how they blend with each other. For a better idea of just how far you can go with ZMerged objects, go to the Path library in the Easy Palette. There you'll find creative and exciting samples created with PhotoImpact. In this chapter, we've covered the basics of creating and editing text, as well as some of the basics of working with the ZMerge tool. In the next chapter, we'll introduce some of PhotoImpact's web tools.